Choose Digi Electronics for genuine components, unbeatable prices, and fast shipping. Meet the ADXL357BEZ. High resolution, 20-bit digital output. Supports SPI and limited I2C interfaces. Choose plus or minus 10.24G, plus or minus 20.48G, or plus or minus 40.96G ranges. Ideal for tilt sensing or vibration monitoring. Perfect for harsh environments. Noise density only 75 microG per root Hz. 0G offset drift max 0.75 mg per degree C. Precision over temperature. Measurement mode draws 200 microamps. Standby current only 21 microamps. Extends battery life. Operates from 2.25 to 3.6 volts. Industrial range, minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. Built for extreme conditions. Tiny 14-terminal LCC package. Includes integrated temperature sensor. Ideal for IMUs, structural health monitoring, and robotics. Digi Electronics, real parts, real fast.